Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about format painters. Yes, so without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Hey guys, before starting the video, if you are interested in learning Excel and MS Office, please do ping me on the WhatsApp number given below for all the details. It would be completely online course with the completion certificate, the recordings of the course as well as the practice files. Thank you so much. Let's continue on our video. Okay guys, as I said, we are going to learn about format painters. So this is nothing but copying the same formatting again and again to the cells where you want to give that same formatting. So we know how to copy a text, we know how to copy a number. So we will also understand how to copy a specific format where you don't need to remember what was that format given before. You just have to press format painter and click it on the destination cell. So let's start with the example. I'll just increase this size for you. So this is the example for today where I have a mark sheet, my favorite example of mark sheets, because I was a very average student. I like to give student good marks. Jokes apart. So this is the example for today. So let's do some normal formatting. This is the mark sheet for standard 4th, the student names, the subjects and so on. So first I want this header in the center. So what I can do, I have selected from A1 to G1, and I am now, sorry, wrong click. I am now clicking on the merge cell. Okay, the merge cell is at home tab, it's in home tab, and here it is. Whenever I click on merge cell, this entire cell gets selected. Okay, now I want this background to be dark blue. I want this font color to be white. I want to increase the size of the font. Okay, that looks good. Now similarly, I also want to change this header style. So I will give some blue shade, and this, I want this to be in center. I want this total also to be in center. So this is how the header will look like. Okay, now I want this name also to be appearing in blue, some part of blue, and this in italic and in center, and this also in italic and in center. I want to change the cell color. So this is how I've did it for the first row. Now suppose if I want to do the same formatting for the entire names or for all the student names, simplest way was to select everything and do the color thing, but here I'm going to show you how to do it using a formatting. If the student name initially was only one, then you added these new names. So let's understand how to do that. So what you have to do, you have to first click on the cell which has the formatting which you want to duplicate it, or which you want to paste it to the other student name also. So once you click on this particular cell, you have to go to home tab, okay, and select this format painter. See, in this home tab you will get something called as format painter. Okay, once you select this, a blinking line appears over here. Okay, that means this particular format has been selected, and now you are ready to paste it. Now see what happens. Okay, if I click on this blinking line also disappears, and this format painter also, the paint icon which you got earlier, also disappears. Let's see it again. I say Ctrl Z to undo it and escape. I go on this, click on the format painter again. Now if you observe closely, the plus sign and the brush sign appears on this cursor, on this mouse cursor. You can see this. Okay, great. So if I click on this Amit, the format get pasted from the above cell, and Amit also looks exactly same as it is as the first student name, that is me, who is always at number 1. So but what I want to paste the same format from row number 5 to row number 9. So in order to do that, what you have to do, you have to click format painters, double click it. Okay, double click 1 2. Okay, and then you can paste it n number of times. Okay, until you press the escape key on your keyboard, this would be this format can be pasted everywhere you want to. Okay, if I say escape, this plus and this brush icon on the cursor disappears. See, 1 2 3, escape, vanish. The brush sign is also vanished. This blinking line over this Vismay is also gone. Now I want to copy the same format till down. How I can do this? Simpler way is just copy this, copy the entire row from B3 to G3. I'm clicking once. Okay, so if I click once and if I paste over here, click over here, it gets pasted only once. But what I want to do it for multiple rows. I'll again select this fresh row whether we have pasted the formatting. I'll only click it once, and what I can do, I can select this entire cell range from B5 to G9 and I leave it. See, so by clicking it once also you can do it. You don't have to leave the left click. Okay, you have to keep the left click on. You have to press the left click on, and then at the end of, when you reach at the end of the cell range, you have to leave the left click. Okay, I'll show you once again. I select the entire formatted row, I single click. Now I clicked on my left click and I drag my left click till this end cell, and the entire format is been pasted. Okay, now suppose I want only the format. Okay, this particular format, let's also draw a border against it. That looks good. Now I'll just delete this row because I don't want this row, so I'm deleting this row. Now let's assume I want to make such tables because I like this formatting and I want to keep this formatting for all my tables. So in order to do that, I only want this formatting part. I'll select the entire table, I'll go to format painter, click on it, and I can paste it. See, only the format is being pasted. The data or the values inside it is not pasted. Now I can simply just and if I start typing anything, it would be in the same format. See, mark sheet for standard, for this time it would be 5th. I say student name. See, the format is similar as it was here without even doing anything. I haven't done the formatting manually. It was just a format painter job which they did for me. Same subjects, history, and so on. If I say name, student name 1, and so the formatting remains the same. So this is how you can use format painters at multiple locations, at the same locations, using format painter for a particular cell range and everything. Okay, hope this video was useful to you, and I hope you use these tricks and enhance in your Excel skills. If you have any questions regarding format painters or any other thing in Excel, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box. I would be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, hit that like button and share it with your friends and families so that they can also make the most out of it. And also please don't forget to download the Excel file below, which I leave it after every video. Thank you so much. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.